Adam from RAILstuff here. Just wanted to bring you a very quick video and something a little bit different this time. And that's because today, today being Saturday the 14th of May by the way, I have been at the European Railways Association Spring Convention at the Crewe Heritage Centre. And the reason I've thrown this video together on a Saturday night of a 2-day show is I wanted you to see just what is on display there, because it's fair to say it was pretty quiet today, a mixture of unseasonably good weather and the FA Cup final maybe just hampering attendance a little, and hopefully if you get the chance to see this video you might actually have the opportunity to come along for day 2 tomorrow. It's open 10:30 till 4:30 and there is a free shuttle bus which is a beautiful old route master that will take you from Crewe railway station to the Heritage Centre so that you can see this for yourself. Mixture of layouts, all kinds of eras and scenes available. There's Japanese, American, Swiss, French, German, European, one that is just, when I asked what it's based on, they just said European. It's a bit of a mixture, but that's great to see. You've got trams, you've got trains, all kinds of stuff, as you can see. Now these little video clips that I've put together, first and foremost apologies for the quality of them. This was just me grabbing my phone on a quick break and seeing what I can find, but also you'll notice I've focused a bit more on the scenic stuff rather than trains running on tracks, because hey, that's what RAILstuff is all about. We love the scenics, and there's some really good quality inspiration on show at the event. So if you've got the opportunity to pop along tomorrow, then please do so. If not, then hopefully these video clips will help you see what you will have missed at the event. But for now, let me leave you with the rest of this video, and if you get the chance to come along, then I'll see you tomorrow. If not, then I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another RAILstuff video next week. Enjoy!